to make baskets, sandals, ropes, because it's flexible and very strong. See? But to make the paper, we slice this white inner part, and these slices are breakable because it contain amount of sugar and water. Also, it's eatable in ancient time because it contain amount of sugar. But nowadays we have sugar cane sweeter than this one. So we just use a mallet and famous one, rolling pin, just to squeeze the water and sugar out. That's also to make a slice, very thin slice, more flexible and more strong. See the juice coming out, then you will see slices just can be flexible and more strong. We soak it slice again in the water for 1 week. After we get out the juice, we soak it again in the water for a week to make it just a little bit sticky or slab, because it still have some sugar. In ancient time also they make two kind of paper from same plant. They make beige and they make brown or dark like this. To get dark or brown like that, in ancient times they know oxidation. If you take a piece of apple and keep it for a minute, that's make it dark or brown colors. So to get dark or brown like this, we leave it in the water for 2 or 3 weeks. The sugar and water oxidize together and make it dark or brown colors. Then we arrange the slices in 2 carpets to vertical and horizontal lines. And start to make it just like this. To stick together without any chemical, it's just the water and sugar and the gelatin from the plant, which make it stick together after we press it. Just like that to complete one piece. Then we cover it and press it for another 1 week. We talk about thousands of years. In ancient time, there is no machine. They used only 2 blocks of stones. 1 week under the big stones and 1 day under the sunrise to make it dry. We get the first type of paper in history like that. Paper soft, strong enough, accept any kind of painting, any kind of colors, easy to roll, flexible, no damage, no crack. You can feel it.